Seth, what if you filmed your own feet in here and put sick dinosaur toys as the background?
I could, but I'm scarred, dude. There's a hobo shaving his pubes in the bathroom.
Is there actually?
Yeah, he's using an electric razor. I don't know how he has an electric razor, but...
Oh my goodness, I made a terrible life decision this morning and ate 6 donuts for breakfast. Oops. I hope all of you guys are feeling better and making better life decisions than I am. I just wanted to touch on one very important thing that you guys have been asking about very quickly. If any of you guys ordered mystery boxes and had questions about the mystery boxes, of course, shoot me an email with the customer service line on my website, tomstefaniuk.com. But I just wanted to notify you guys that there was a portion of the boxes that were just stopped at the border for customs inspections. It's routine. It happens a lot if you're shipping volume out of Canada. It happens. I apologize for any delay that you guys are having. I know you're excited to get your boxes. I love you. I just wanted to let you guys know so there was no confusion or questions, because I know some people were wondering. That being said, I am on a little bit of a sugar high right now as a result of eating 6 donuts. But besides that, I'm feeling good. Do you guys want to see something really depressing? I mean, I'm not complaining because it's not snowing, but at the same time, according to the weather app on my phone, it's supposed to be raining for the next, I mean, like at least until 2 p.m. tomorrow. That sucks. They should make a law. I don't know where you would make this law or who you would give it. Seriously, who invented rain? I need to talk to them. They should make a law that it cannot rain for more than 7 hours in a row. I would be a massive advocate of that. If you guys know who I need to talk to about that, please let me know. 28 hours of rain in a row. That sucks. I mean, at this point, I just might as well move to London or Vancouver or something. Is there room for me under this?
Yeah, there is.
It looks like, you know those big parachutes they put on Mars rovers so they don't blow away?
It does look like that, actually. I was gonna say it's a small umbrella. I thought, but no, yeah, it looks like it. I see what he's saying. I get it.
I really need to purchase an umbrella. They cost like $4.
This one was free for your boy.
I need a free umbrella. Coolest umbrella ever, because from this side,
yeah,
I can't see anything. It's not see-through.
Wait, seriously?
But then this side,
oh,
look,
you're right.
You can see stuff.
No way, that's actually
How cool
sick.
is that?
I didn't realize that.
Freaking Seth
I'm actually
getting
looking
futuristic.
at the camera right now.
Yeah. Did you get the Jordan 1s that came out this weekend?
I didn't. I was trying to buy them, but no one has them for sale. So.
I was trying to get the Jordan 1s that came out this weekend, the black and red ones. Yeah. I don't even know if I like them.
Yeah, well, I like them.
They're nowhere in the city. They're not at Stadium Goods. They're not anywhere online. I've put out on Instagram 4 times asking to buy any pair, any size.
Well, here's the thing. You could buy them on like GOAT or StockX, but it would be
but
like
then it takes 2 weeks.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the problem. I want them in hand.
Yeah.
Thankfully, Seth is a little bit crazier than me, so we are going to Flight Club right now. And Seth's gonna see if they have a pair at Flight Club. Yeah. You realize you're certifiably insane for spending this much money on a pair of shoes.
I like them. It's worth it. I don't want to ruin it for you, but they don't have them. I already checked the app.
Well, that's anticlimactic. That being said, we're still going to Flight Club. We released these ones.
So these were an ID. Well, like a Nike by you or whatever. But it's in Cactus Planet Flea Market. Yeah, they're sick.
What are those?
They dropped like maybe 2 months ago. 2019. I don't know. I forget.
This is actually a cool pair of Ultra Boosts. I didn't know they still made cool pairs of Ultra Boosts.
They do. Well, dude, the Beyonce ones. Love those.
I don't like the Beyonce ones.
I love the Beyonce ones.
Ooh, I like these a lot better than the white ones.
They're expensive.
I should really start paying attention to sneakers. I haven't seen any of these, and for someone whose job it is to talk about shoes, I do know that I love these ones. I have wanted these ones for a long time.
I really like these Pro Tros.
Oh my goodness, look at this price range. Look at this price range.
That's crazy.
$195 to $1,750. How does that happen? What size is $195? And what size is $1,750? I don't think I've ever seen a bigger price spread on a pair of shoes. I mean, I understand why, because Kobe, but 195 to 17, I feel bad for the person that has to pay $17.50. So I didn't know these were coming out until right now. Seth, are these coming out again?
You knew they were coming out.
No, I didn't. I honestly didn't. I 100% did not.
You're lying.
I did not. See, Seth thinks I pay attention to sneaker release dates. You guys probably think I pay attention to sneaker release dates. I don't. When did these come out? Seriously.
There's no, like, maybe March. No one knows for sure yet.
Oh, well, the DMP6s is obviously a classic pair of Jordans. I mean, they're all right. You can buy them now for $380 at Flight Club. That's honestly not terrible considering that they don't have a concrete release date. But I genuinely don't know when anything comes out. I am the worst sneaker YouTuber ever. And shut up to all you guys in the comments that are saying we already knew that, Tom. Okay, Seth is busy looking for a pair of shoes. I'm not sure what he's getting. He's not getting the Jordan 1s because they don't have the Jordan 1s. But he's getting something in a size 9. It is pouring rain and Seth told me I could look at the shoes, except I can't get the shoes wet.
That's true, yes, you cannot.
So we're under an awning right now at a very awkward camera angle. But Seth bought these, which I didn't really know existed that much. Like, I saw them the day before they came out and I was like, oh, another pair of Yeezys. And this was Yeezy Supply exclusive?
Yeah. Yeezy Supply, and it's
so
3M along the
only online.
Stripe.
And I knew it was yellow. We walked into the store and I saw, what's the other pair of yellow Yeezys?
Antlias.
The Antlias.
The Asia exclusive.
I saw the Asia exclusive Antlias and I was like, oh, there they are. And apparently this is a completely different shoe. So Kanye, I cannot keep up with what you're doing. You make too many Yeezys. In all honesty, these ones are actually pretty cool though. I think the thing I like about these the most is that there's different shades and different tones of the same colors. Did you get the video? It looks good.
It actually looks good.
It looks really good?
I'm like annoyed because I didn't get far enough out because I was too like, but it'll work for my review.
Good?
Yeah, it'll work for the review.
Seth just finished filming the on feed for these and we were unsure if the lighting would be adequate, except he says it's very good.
Oh yeah.
So the thing I like the most about these, as I was saying, is that there's different tones. Like there's a yellow prime knit, and then as Seth said, a completely 3M stripe, which is really cool. It almost looks like they spray painted it silver, but in a way that doesn't make it look cheap or tacky. And then the laces are a slightly different shade of, I don't know, almost green, which looks very nice as well. And then on the inside, my favorite part is this mustard little liner and sock liner and insole, and it just gives it a nice little accent. I think if it was just yellow and silver, I wouldn't like these too much. But having that mustard on the inside just gives it a nice little something different. And these aren't hyped up and they're not that popular. They were Yeezy Supply exclusive, so they do resell for a little bit. But I think they're only like $300 at Flight Club, which considering they retail for $220 isn't that bad. So Seth actually did a proper review of them on his channel.
Yes.
I don't know, it's just very interesting. I haven't really seen anyone buy these. I haven't seen anyone review them. I don't know if it was a more limited one that people just weren't too interested in, because just people that have these, I've seen almost no one buy them, and it just seems to sort of be like the forgotten Yeezy release. I haven't seen people talking about them, haven't seen people reviewing them. And I mean, it's a nice shoe.
Nice.
But we've all seen a Yeezy 350 before.